Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today attended the 54th Annual Koch Conference organised by the Meghalaya Koch Association at Jatrakona in South Garo Hills District. In his speech, the Chief Minister stressed the need to preserve indigenous languages and assured to look into their suggestion to introduce Koch language in schools located in Koch areas of Meghalaya. Furthermore, the association had submitted a memorandum for capacity building for Koch people and the preservation of their language, for which Sangma assured to look into. He also suggested interventions like Prime, Chief Ministers Elevate and Yes Meghalaya for the youth of the Koch community.
Meghalaya state ni nakawa Actually, dongapa chunchon dapat sini additional indigenous tribe ram jerang sini dongai no yarang ni ba dentang dimandang donga aru je ko nasimang daru no jana pahacham na main reasonable donga that Assamese aru Bengali ko dalu je bi aprangon skinachim ya Assamese aru Bengali ko ski ya kagija achun Koch ba dentang actually local actually indigenous language rangko actually rabana matlude.
Health Minister Amprin